Well, it turns out the last crash did a little bit more than I expected. Out of these parts, we're gonna try and make another goddamn drone here. Shit. Picked up the JB ESC. Don't let me down, JB. Don't let me down.
No need to adjust your system. This song, call it Jack Herrer cause it hits strong. Fist pump, rebel on the set, make your bitch jump. Doubt me, get in line cause the list long. Scandalous type Nick song. Mellow in your face like the Knicks on. Dick long, gripped in the pits with my wits on. Low quick, short wick on a lip bomb. But it's strong, any record inspector on. I transform to a beast.
Alright, the motors are soldered up, but the real test is when you plug in a battery. So, wish me luck. Oh, shit. Alright, now, flight controller. The JB 4-in-1, the wiring harness lines up right with the Helio. Which is perfect, because I didn't have to change the pins. So let's, hopefully this won't just catch on fire when I do this. And we'll hear the ESC tones. Sounds like they're not on D shot. Oh, I gotta flash the ESC still. But let's see if this works. Oh, got action. Look at that. It lined right up. Let's see if it'll arm. Alright, so this motor's backwards. That's pretty good. I only got one motor backwards. I just hooked them up randomly. Arms aren't connected yet, but that's good news right there. Well, let's put the top plate on and the rest of the stuff on, and then we should be flying.
Yes, y'all, heard the rest, who the best, y'all? You slept, dog, I'm a threat, what you rep, dog? Respect, dog, here's a bone, go and fetch, dog. Mr. Mep, y'all, my favorite letter is F, y'all. As I continue where we left off, next off the list, another hater is checked off. Get lost, you trick, check boss, or bets off. More music and less talk, I'm talking about.
Give you my dose of pride.
You already know, man.
But not close.
Well, today it rained all day. What you are about to see is the only option I have left. I am sorry. Before you unsub, just know I love you all. Thanks.
I just worked out. I don't play my Xbox so much, my life did it 360. Look how it turned out. Now the boy, the one that my ex is calling my phone like, boo, I'm tryna work it out. Services denied, your credit card been declined. Oh, you tryna pull a fast one, but you ain't slick. Might change my name to Ray James, I'm tryna get rich, look. I'm talking Jim Carrey with the green face. Obama still my president, I need change. If cash rules every single thing around me, would've been a Jerry's that girl, I need cream. Walk around, pockets thicker than the 2D. Now they all watching me, I'm like CB. Started was a dream, but no girl, I'm in the flesh. Now I'm all up in the mouth like DD. The money short now, but it's growing up quick. Cause Pilates in the gym don't stretch like this. It don't stretch like this. It don't stretch like this. The money short now, but it's growing up quick. Cause your mom in yoga class don't stretch like this. She don't stretch like this. She don't stretch like this. Workout number one, let's run to the bag. Cause if you want the money, gotta chase it. Workout Workout number 2, let's strengthen up the core, cause if I ever go broke, I'ma take it. Workout number 3, gotta tighten up the way you breathe. Only way the money counter gon' sing. Workout number 4, if you wanna double up the bread, do the last 3 things once more. Stretching out the bands like I'm bouncing with the hands. Got the money touching walls from the ceiling to the floor. Yeah, we picked it up, but it really ain't enough. If you want to catch the last, I'ma need a little more. So the last workout that we gon' do is work your green thumbs till the face turn blue. Turn the 10s to the 20s and the 20s to the 50s to all the $100 bills come through. The money short now, but it's growing up quick. Cause Pilates in the gym don't stretch like this. It don't stretch like this. It don't stretch like this. The money short now, but it's growing up quick. Cause your mama yoga class don't stretch like this. She don't stretch like this. She don't stretch like this.